I just wanted to say that's why I've been so drawn to your course, because I'm hypermobile.
Uh-huh.
And I have a lot of teachers push me to do things because I'm so flexible, but it causes a lot of pain. So I've had to work to organise my body. So when I came across your course, I thought, actually, someone who gets it. And one of the most helpful things you've taught me is that dialing. Has made it easier in down dog to soften the elbows. And I now have no pain in my joints and my elbows. It's gone. So it's been incredibly useful.
And I always would hear the teachers saying yoga shouldn't hurt. You shouldn't hurt in yoga. And I was hurting. My elbow hurt. I have lost the pain in my arm, and I'm grateful for that. And this is just actually happening since I've been taking this course and really understanding the pushing into your hands and externally rotating.
I've suffered quite a bad shoulder injury, and I'm recovering from it, and I'm trying to strengthen it now. And I cannot believe how effective that cue is. It's really quite remarkable at stabilizing that joint, because I've been having a lot of trouble trying to strengthen and stabilize. It's very good, yeah.
I had my injury to the shoulder from the beginning, so I tried your activation and it works wonderfully. So I am really, really satisfied with it. And I have also a friend with I'm teaching now, and she had also the same problem, and it works brilliant. Thank you so much. It's really, really great.
I've probably been working on your program about 6 months, and I do a lot of yoga. I teach anywhere between 8 to 12 classes a week. Yeah, my shoulders were bothering me before, but now they're not. So that activation, organization, and activation, they have definitely seen a difference and are building more confidence, which is great for me and them. So it's made a big, big difference. So thank you.
One of them just said, wow, it's a light bulb moment. I did the tunnel drill with them. The activation there, it was just such a simple way to explain it to them, and they got it because they weren't getting it from me. But once I explained it your way, they really got it. And I sort of repeat and repeat and repeat in classes, always say, organize, activate, remember to dial your arms out, dial your hands out. That has been really good.
Denise, I just hang on your every word. It's just fabulous. I use it every class, and like a reinforcement. I could hear you say the same things over and over and over, because it reinforces me to give that reinforcement to my students.
Using it in my classes all the time now. And one lady said to me the other day, she says, I love the dialing out. Keep saying to them, you're probably fed up with me saying active and organize and activate. And yeah, you just got to keep on saying it though, because it works. Totally works.